Amar,
Laura.
tell me, what is a mass driver and how will it stop an asteroid from hitting the planet Earth?
That was such an off-the-cuff question, Laura.
Oh,
Not
I
at
just
all-
thought of it off
not
my
at all
cuff.
rehearsed sounding. A mass driver is basically a thing that will throw things from a thing.
Wait, we've done this video before.
Absolutely haven't done this video.
I know what this is. You've told me about this.
Do you want me to, should we swap places and you? And the way it does that, it's very simple. You get a tube. I'm going to say it's a tube. It doesn't have to be a tube. And you put an electromagnet here and here and here and here, and so along it you've got a line of electromagnets which can be turned on and off separately. And then you get a box that's magnetic, and then you put a thing on the box.
What kind of thing?
It doesn't matter, whatever you want to throw.
What, a hamster?
A hamster
I wouldn't do
is
that, by the
immoral,
way.
but yes,
I wouldn't
you
do
could
it.
throw a hamster.
Let's say an umbrella.
An umbrella. But what if someone loves that umbrella?
Okay.
Okay, well, no. Okay. So I'll turn this magnet on, which will drag it forward, and then I'll turn this one off and turn this one on. And it'll drag it forward, and it'll keep doing that faster and faster and faster.
So it gets stuck in the magnets?
No. So it will shoot it forward. Okay?
Yeah.
So it drags it through at a really high speed, and then it will stop. And so they'll slow the magnet down. They'll slow this thing down, and the other thing will catapult out and go flying out into space or wherever you fling it.
Right.
And that's what a mass driver does. And the way they want to use it to stop an asteroid hitting the Earth, the first way.
Who's they? NASA.
Science.
I bet it's NASA again.
Science.
NASA.
Anyone with the capability to do so.
Sheldon Cooper.
Still not a real person. This is an asteroid. You fly your spaceship to it, and you land on it, and you make a mass driver on it, or you drop on it, so it's here. And make it dig up stuff, and then fling it off.
Do you know what they should do?
Oh dear. What should they do, Laura?
They should land on it, dig a big hole, stick some dynamite in there, and blow it up.
What happens to all the chunks?
They just go off somewhere else.
Do
They're going to be little. They're not going to hurt anyone, are
just
they?
Carry on, and then you've got 20 asteroids hitting the Earth instead.
No, because it
Yeah,
would blow
'cause
it
that
into
is
like
what happens.
200 small pieces, and like it wouldn't hurt anyone. I don't think.
How are you going to dig into an asteroid?
With a drill,
A drill.
massive one.
How are you going to get a
Like
big
how you
drill
get
to an
oil.
asteroid?
Just carry it on your spaceship. I haven't
This is
thought
easier
it
to
through
do.
as much as you have, clearly.
No, well, I read this on the internet.
Oh wow.
And so you fling things off it using this mass driver. So you fling a bunch of rocks into space. And what that does is, one, it lightens the asteroid. And two, because of Newton's, I think it's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So when you throw things off that way, the asteroid goes that way. You know, like
Right.
how a rocket works.
Yeah, I know
space.
exactly how a rocket
In
works
space,
in space.
you got this is a rocket. It shoots stuff out its bum, and because it shoots
Fire.
stuff out its bum so much, it goes that way.
Uh-huh.
It'd be the exact same thing, but they're throwing rocks.
Right.
So it would move out of the way, and it would make it less massive, have less mass. The second way, they could use it, is to build one on the moon.
Does this actually happen then? They haven't used it. This is like a theory.
Yes, again, they haven't used
Okay.
this.
Right. Oh, we didn't listen the first time.
This is the moon. And you could build one on the moon, and you could use it to shoot rocks from the moon at asteroids, which is arguably far cooler. And because the moon is moving, it would have the added velocity of the moon. So instead of if you fling it off at 100 miles an hour, you'd have to add that speed to the speed the moon's going. I have no idea how fast the moon's going. I'm going to go with, to make the maths easy, 300 miles an hour.
It's not
going
very
faster than
fast,
that.
is it?
It's going much faster than that. So when you fling it off, if it's going in the same direction, it would be going 400 miles an hour. And you wouldn't have had to accelerate it any further. And you could use that to hit the other asteroid out of the way.
Right, okay.
And that is a mass driver.
Thanks. Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome.
Now I know.